Josh here, Joshua's Landscape Design and Masonry. We're in Hackettstown, New Jersey, and I wanted to make this video because a lot of people are always worried and curious about natural stone foundations of their houses with blowout points in their mortar. Now, take a look at this behind me. This is a foundation from about 1885. It's really, really old. And the reason why I have these 2x4s up here is because this giant 200-pound piece of stone was falling out as we were chipping away all this old mortar. So the problem becomes, this stuff is built on a shelf. So this is all natural stone that they dry stack straight up to build this foundation. Now, it's tied into these steps here. So once we start taking this mortar out, all these stones start shifting and the entire shelf comes away from the existing foundation that's here. So we have to wedge and we have to slowly chip away all this stuff. So if you see this at your house, Eric, do you want to come a little bit closer and maybe show them what I'm talking about? If you guys see anything that looks like this on your own home, these blowout points, it is very, very important that you call and you have somebody take care of it the proper way, which is to completely remove the mortar. Hopefully the stones don't come out, but if they do come out, they need to be put back in. So the most important thing to do is to call somebody. If you guys have this issue, please give us a call at 908-343-9729 or send me an email at joshuaslandscapingllc@gmail.com. Again, it's 908-343-9729. Call anytime. Thank you.